Assalamu alaikum. Greetings from Sayem World. It is 3:50 in the morning on August 10th, 2019. Myself, my wife, my son Safwan and Ranafai have just started a tour to Nandi Hills. As YouTubing is my hobby, I tried to manage some time to cover some spots during my scheduled tasks in Bangalore. We managed to go to Nandi Hills. Nandi Hills is in Chikkaballapur district of Karnataka state. Nandi Hills is 4,849 feet high from the sea level. Basically, tourists visit the Nandi Hills to see the sunrise and the ground-touching clouds. I have seen the sunrise many times in my life, Alhamdulillah. But I didn't have a chance in my life to see the ground-touching clouds spread over a vast area. I am very much interested to see it. I went to Sajek in Bangladesh, Darjeeling and Sikkim in India, and Bhutan to experience this enchanting view, but I was not fortunate enough to see it. So, to fulfill my desire, I am going to Nandi Hills, though the weather forecast is not good today. But I have a strong feeling that the weather will get better and we will be able to see it, inshallah. Nandi Hills is 10 km away from Chikkaballapur, but from Bangalore, it is 60 km away. Today, we are heading to Nandi Hills from Bangalore. But I have another feeling now that we won't be able to see the long cherished clouds as the weather is slowly getting worse. We will reach Nandi Hills shortly. Without taking any winter preparation, we came to Bangalore from Bangladesh. It is beyond my imagination that such a cold weather exists in August. We are feeling very cold and actually we are shivering now sitting in the car. Still, I am holding the camera through the open window continuously, just for my viewers, to film the clear and complete picture. It's been raining here. Not only raining, lots of clouds as well. I am very much amazed to see the roads climbing up the hills. I have visited so many hilly places, but I never saw this type of smooth roads like Nandi Hills. Finally, we reached Nandi Hills after 3 hours. A very strong wind is blowing. For my viewers, I am turning on the original wind sound. Just to keep his body warmer, Ranada is gonna take tea. I won't, as I have some stomach related problems. Hey, look at the sunrise. Can't imagine. The sunrise can be seen in this windy and cloudy weather. I was really surprised. Now actually I realized that it's not the sun, it's a light. And it is beyond the question to see the sunrise in this weather. It is so chilly and windy that my fingers are shivering. I can't even hold my camera. That's the viewpoint. People gather there to see the sunrise. But we can't see the sunrise today in this weather. As we don't have any winter preparation, we won't stay longer here. Actually, we can't stay longer due to cold. Apparently, this weather won't change shortly. When the weather will get better, it will be too late to enjoy sunrise and ground-touching clouds. So we are gonna head home now. Unfortunately, I couldn't even see the clouds in Nandi Hills as well, though I visited so many places to see it.
এখানে আমরা তো যখন ব্যাঙ্গালোর আসি কোনো প্রকার শীতের প্রিপারেশন ছিল না, কিন্তু এখানে আসার আগে আমরা বিশেষ করে আমার ছেলের জন্য একটা জ্যাকেট কেনা হয়, কিন্তু এত ঠান্ডা ভাবতে পারিনি আমাদের অবস্থা। যেতে পারছি না, আমরা এখন গাড়ির দিকে যাচ্ছি আর এখন আমরা আসলে ব্যাক করবো। সূর্যোদয়ের টাইম হয়ে গেছে, কিন্তু কোনো প্রকার সূর্য নেই, এত মেঘ চারিদিকে যে সূর্য দেখার কোনো সুযোগই নেই। তো যাই হোক, আজ এখানেই শেষ করছি। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।